मुझे ये लॉज बहुत ही अच्छा लगा। यहाँ के वेटर्स और जो स्टाफ है वो बहुत अच्छा है। फूड इज़ वेरी गुड। मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि हर किसी ने अगर जो भी आना चाहता है वो कम से कम एक बार उसकी जो शुरुआत हो वो शशांक के साथ होना चाहिए, ताकि उसको वाइल्ड लाइफ में बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट हो जाए और वो बार बार आए। असल में मेरे को जो जितने लोग मिलेंगे मैं उनको सबको यही सजेस्ट करूँगी, कम विद शशांक।
The place to be on a monsoon vacation. And regarding the birds, there were quite a few birds which Shashank explained. Of course, I do not remember the names, so once I go back, I'll ask him for the photographs along with the names.
Today was the best part. This safari was the fantastic one. We saw all in all 4 tigers, and we were waiting for almost 2.5 hours, and it happened with us two times before also. At the last 30 minutes, it was at the last end moments only we just got the news that there's some sightings, and one of the sub-adult was almost 10 feet away from us. So it was fantastic.
When we came on the road, we spotted the tiger and it was coming towards us. And oh, I'm so sorry. It was going and it was marking its territory, and we saw that, and it was such a amazing thing to see. And seeing that in the Kabini's majestic monsoon was so amazing to see. The thing I liked the most here, the river. We were just in front of that. I liked that. It was a crazy experience here, and I would like to visit here again.
So far, all the safaris that we have had, the sightings have always happened at the end. So it's almost like we have given up the hope. But then, like they say, there is a silver lining to the cloud. A tiger just passing by. Even that was all of a sudden. We were concentrating on the elephants that we sighted nearby.
That was an amazing safari, guys. If you would like to in fact join us on our safari tours and expeditions, please do connect with us on the platforms mentioned below. And if you'd like to know more on India's wildlife and our protected areas, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us. See you next time.